The IP10MP PNI camera can be controlled from mobile devices via the VM iCloud compatible Android and iOS app, and from the PC via general CMS software. The installation file of the CMS can be found on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our site from the product page download section. The camera comes with 36 infrared lights, allowing you to view at night for up to 30 meters. It can be used to monitor homes, offices, factories, shops, hospitals, and more. Simple, convenient, and real time. The PNI IP10MP camera is accessed directly via P2P connection without the need to configure the router. By entering a username and password, you have easy access to all camera functions. You can monitor and control the camera from any internet browser, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox and Safari, or with dedicated software for Windows, Android or iOS from anywhere in the world.